Apple's WWDC is on the next door and the leaks are so much. Some leaks are claiming that Apple is going to change their iPhone name to Apple's phone, and some leaks are claiming that Apple is going to change the iOS name for iPhones to iPhone OS. WWDC is going to launch on 22 June and Apple is going to launch so many new things. For example, Apple's iOS 14, and maybe Apple will move from Intel to ARM GPU into their upcoming MacBooks. And Apple might also launch the long-awaited product by Apple, which is Apple wireless charging mats. And now here is a big leak of all time. iPhone 12 final design is confirmed, and here is the first look of iPhone 12, and here is how it looks in person. Now there will be 4 variants of iPhone 12. iPhone 12 with a 5.4-inch OLED Super Retina HD display, iPhone 12 Max with 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina HD display, iPhone 12 Pro Max with 6.7-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display, iPhone 12 Pro with 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display. The most highlighted feature of iPhone 12 will be the iPad Pro-like design and 5G capabilities in all 4 models, and 120Hz of display refresh rate in iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro. Apple's iPhone 12 lineup will come with Apple's A14 chipset and with 4GB of RAM in iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max in iPhone 12 Pro Max. And iPhone 12 Pro, they will come with 6GB of RAM. Quad camera setup on iPhone 12 Pro models and dual camera setup on iPhone 12 non-Pro models. Now this is the final design of iPhone 12, and these prototypes are exact the copy of iPhone 12. And you can see the notch is very small by looking at the earpiece. The corners are curved and the sides are flat, same as iPad Pro like design. And everyone was waiting for this design since iPhone 3, and this is the legendary design of Apple's iPhone, and it looks very elegant and beautiful. Now talking about the pricing, iPhone 12 lineup will start from $650 for iPhone 12, and iPhone 12 Pro Max will cost around $1100. And they are going to launch in November of 2020. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow.